Hi, and welcome to...
I'm a sucker for pain. I got the squad tatted on me from my neck to my ankles.
Y'all are talking.
Y'all need to shut up.
We're filming. Rude. Hi, and welcome to Vegans Taste Better. This is Mr. Hit.
This is MC Saltine.
I'm Hit.
And Mrs. MC Saltine.
Mr. Hit.
Alright, today we have one item. They are hot pepper jelly sourdough pretzels.
How could you not try these?
They sound amazing.
Probably the best thing ever.
Warning, contains wheat ingredients.
Uh-oh.
Give her a try. Open them up, see how they smell. They smell good.
Yeah, they don't
Smell
smell like
spicy.
disgusting death in a pretzel.
But they might taste like it. Okay, so this it looks to be a chunk of pretzel with maybe something injected inside of it.
Yeah, this is weird.
It was...
They're every bit as horrible as they sound. Basically.
It is covered in a hot...
I can't describe how awful these are.
It's like a sweet but sour but spicy coating on the pretzel. There's no jelly.
My mouth is on fire and disgusted at the same time.
And then the pretzels just like disintegrate in your mouth. They're like chalky, gross pretzels. This is probably the worst thing I've had.
Whole Foods is trying to kill us. Why am I still eating them? I want to get one that's full.
A limited edition global pepper.
Thank God they're limited edition. They're gonna go away.
Oh. Whole Foods, I was like, it can't be that bad.
Why were you like that? Whole Foods has lots of gross stuff.
But, I mean, it's like pretzel, it's spicy. I was like, well, this could either...
Yeah, we like all those things.
Yeah. No. It's not good. Yeah, well, maybe it is, because she's still eating them.
I think they're growing on me, to be honest.
Nasty.
I do taste a little bit of sweet. I think there is
they're
jelly
sweet,
in there.
and they're spicy.
But we're just beautiful people with beautiful...
What kind of person do you think would
Think up this?
Yeah, think this up.
Somebody who hates America.
So everybody?
Everybody else. Okay. So, I do not like these. I will never buy them again.
I kind of like them now.
Okay. I don't. I'm going to give them a... I can give them half at Omar Head.
After you get over the initial shock and weird combination of flavors, for me it just becomes a pretzel that's spicy, like kind of like a barbecue pretzel, almost.
But with a really bad barbecue flavor.
A really interesting barbecue flavor.
Yeah. Yuck. Alright.
I can't believe they grow on me so fast.
What do you give them? Try them
I think I'll give them
to be unbiased.
I'm gonna give them a 2. I don't think I'd ever go buy these again. But if they were I'll probably be the one to finish this bag. I don't think anybody else in this house is gonna eat these, and I hate to waste food. So I will probably be the one finishing this bag. No?
You don't like?
Did you try one like this? Like a big fatty? Also, that's kind of weird. Like, all the pieces in here, they're all like this. You do not get a full pretzel. Why?
Well, I think it says pretzel pieces.
Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't see that. That's weird.
Okay. So I give it a half.
I give it a 2.
Yeah, never again. Alright. This has been a short, but unsweet. Well, sweet, but
spicy.
But gross.
And informative.
Don't buy these. They're nasty.
Maybe buy them.
No, don't.
Buy them if you're nasty.
Buy them to give to somebody you hate.
You gave them to me.
They're all yours. You can eat every last damn pretzel. Alright. Bye. Like, subscribe, but don't like or subscribe these.
Yeah.
Yep.
Write an angry letter to Whole Foods on our behalf.
Bye-bye.